This is going to be the first paint stroke in the new studio. Okay, so this piece I'm working on, you could just take it cute. This little raccoon listening to a record player that's actually made out of a stump. You know, art can always be that, you know, that just whimsical, this looks cute, this is encouraging, this is fun to look at. Or if you want to dig a little deeper and say, what else could this mean? So my deeper side of this painting is, okay, this stump, it's been cut down. It's been hurt, and still is singing a song. So that record player is maybe its song after it's gone through the hurt, the trauma. And guess what? This raccoon, it's like, you got a song to sing, and I'm here to listen.